Love the 2017 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror, power passenger seat. Come take a test drive today.